You can also assign the value of a variable to another variable. For example, we have here a variable called first with the keyword let assigned to string value of 1, and also a variable called second with another keyword let assigned to the string value of 2. And then we called here the variable second. Wow. Ooh. So we called here the variable second in here, and then assigned the variable first, which has a value of a string 1. Therefore, the value of the second will also be the value of the first variable, which has a string 1, because we assigned the variable first here. It says the second variable would now have the value of 1 because the first variable, which is assigned to the second, has a value of string 1. To see this in action, change your second character assignment from test to your character variable. Now, if we go up, we do have a variable declared here, character world. So we are now to get rid of this string test and then assign the variable character. Now, which in turn would print world. It says world here, not test anymore. Why? Because the character variable is assigned to the string world. So, yep, nice.